afternoon, everyone. Today we are driving to Walmart. The main thing we are looking for today is the Sabrina Carpenter cherry perfume. I saw that they have some in stores, so I'm really hoping that it is at the store that I'm going to. Hopefully they have the perfume and they also have some mist, so I'm really excited for that. Other than that, I do want to check out their Halloween items, fall items, and then I also want to see if they have any more of the Dove seasonal body washes because those were amazing. I'm almost out of my pecan crunch scrub, and the last time I went and tried to get it, I did not get the body wash. It was all sold out at the other store, so hopefully this store has it. Other than that, I may just look for some fall Halloween items, see what they have. That's really all I have for my Walmart shopping list. Okay, we are in the Walmart parking lot. I threw on a little lip gloss and lip liner, only fitting to kind of go with the cherry red mahogany color today. So I used the Huda Beauty lip contour in deep rose, and then I topped it off with the Fenty Beauty cream in hot cherry, and I think it just made the perfect little lip combo for our little adventure to go try to find Cherry Baby. There it is. They have Caramel Dream, Cherry Baby, and the original Sweet Tooth. I am very impressed, you guys. There's a lot of options here, and I had no idea all this was at Walmart. They have Ariana Grande, Versace, Britney Spears, Dolly, and so much more. Now I have to find someone to unlock it for me, but I'm almost tempted to get the Caramel Dream as well. I don't see any of the new Dove seasonal stuff, so it's either gone or not here. Definitely not finding it. Darn. Cute. I did see Macy Blackwell post about some really cute Halloween pajamas at Walmart. So there's like these kind with the vampires. This one is pretty scary. This one, but also kind of scary. So I don't know if it really fits my vibe. I love that print. Fun fact, I played Sally Brown in one of my school musicals, and she had the pink and the black polka dot dress, so that always reminds me of that time. They're really soft though. Some new shirts. So there's a pumpkin, a black shirt with a black kitty, Hocus Pocus. Autumn is my favorite color. Cute little Mickey print pajama shorts. How cute is that? Cute little dog pajamas. Seeing some fall items appear. There's like a little cute dress. I always love a burnt orange in the fall. Definitely some cute tops here. This is the menswear, kind of some scary Halloweenish sweatshirts. If you're looking for these cute pillows that look like pumpkins, they have a white cream one, they have an orange one. Loving these neutral wreaths. These are really cute. Would you go with the orange autumn or like the classic tan beige? Why is this so cute? Hi all, it's the next day and I just wanted to share my thoughts on Sweet Tooth. I've been wearing it since yesterday and I just wanted to circle back with you guys. So this is the package. I love this color red for fall, so it's giving me a lot of the fall vibes. Okay, so you smell the cherry. Definitely on the first smell when you spritz it. When you spritz it, you're definitely getting that cherry. It's almost like a boozy cherry or like a spiked punch or spiked fruit punch, something along those lines. And then you get the dry down and that's where you're getting more of that soft, fluffy, chocolate covered fruit. I do like it. I will say I wore it all evening and I would say it's not very strong or long wearing, but I do like it for layering. It was $29, so for that price, I do justify that I would need to reapply it. The size is nice that you can put it in a purse and then you can kind of use it to spruce up maybe a long wearing perfume that you have on. So what I would do with this is I would wear a nice strong vanilla gourmand scent that is pretty long wearing. And then this is kind of like the cherry on top. This is definitely a nice little topper if you love cherry, if you love chocolate. Do I love it? No. Is it growing on me? Yes. And I do like that cherry feel for the fall vibes. And since Sabrina Carpenter's album's coming out and all that, I think it is a fun little touch. And it definitely smells sweet and gourmand. So I do like it. Let me know if you've tried the caramel. I've heard good things about that. So that might be next on my list to try. Okay, I'm outside of Walmart. We're trying one more time to find more of the Pecan Butter Crunch body wash. This Walmart is giving more like green, and I love that. That is really cute. Cozy. They even have a little green pillow like that. Oh my gosh, I would get that. They definitely do not have it. It's not in the place that I got it before. So I'm gonna check online one more time, see what's not sold out. But unfortunately, it is over. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay, so the last thing I found was the hand soaps. This one smells amazing. It is just so gourmand, sweet, caramel. I have to get this one. And I do like the pumpkin pie. So yes, I'll get that one too, but the body washes are gone. I am gonna check if they still have the deodorant. Okay, I'm getting 3 of the Pecan Butter Crunch and I'm gonna give some to my mom. So I'm going straight to the pecan butter. I love the pumpkin as well, but this, oh my goodness, it's so good. They do have some of the deodorant still, so I do have this one right now and I do like it and I use it every day. I haven't had any issues, so that's good. So I'm almost tempted to pick this one up. Is it weird that I want to smell like an ooey gooey pecan butter crunch? Maybe. It might be even weirder for my armpits to smell like that, but it is really good. Seeing a lot of Halloween cozy shirts and sweaters and sweatshirts. I'm gonna go look for the pajamas again to see if they have any. These shorts are super soft and comfy. I would probably go with the gray ones, and then I think there's just a solid black as well, and they come in a 2-pack. Okay, there's a matching top with it as well. So there is ones that come with pajama pants attached, or you can do the separate shorts. Already seeing some Christmas out. I love the print of these. I think they're sleep dresses, but how cute are they? I would wear that dress out. I am really impressed with the material of the Joy Spun pajamas. They are so soft, and every style I've seen is absolutely so cute. I love this pink one. I saw the short sleeve yesterday. But they have this dress. I just can't get over this cute print. Hoping that they wash well, but I love the pink polka dots. This one with the pink detailing. They also have more colors here. This one's giving total Cheetah Girls vibes. The ghost pair is probably my favorite out of the Celebrate Halloween pajama sets. Seeing some more pajamas here. This looks like these are for dogs. That's really cute. Maybe Cookie should get one. I'd probably get her the small. And then it looks like there's matching PJ sets for adults. And these are the pants that they come with. So these are sleep shirts, and they all come with a fuzzy pair of socks. These sweaters look super cozy. All right, it was partially a success because we found the hand soaps and we found another deodorant. Didn't find the body wash. Definitely saw that coming, that we couldn't find the body wash. So, and I also got a really cute little pajama dress. So I think that was a success. It is Sunday fun day. We're gonna go into Walmart and see if they have pumpkin spice dish soap. Yes, you heard me right. Dawn is stepping up the game and bringing power wash scents for the holidays. So there's pine, there's like cranberry, and there's pumpkin spice, which I can't believe it. So let's go in there, see if they have it. I really hope they do. Not a lot of stores have it in stock, I saw, so I drove like 25 minutes just to go and get this. So fingers crossed they have it, because it's probably selling fast. Okay, they totally have the Dawn Power Wash, and there's like only a few of the pumpkin spice left, but there was a lot of fresh pine and frosted cranberry left. But oh my gosh, I have to get all three and test them out. This was a successful Walmart shopping trip. Definitely excited to go home and clean my dishes with pumpkin spice.